Guys, hope you're doing well and welcome back. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization and home decor. And if that is your area of interest, please consider hitting that subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. Yeah, so guys, today's video is actually going to be quite short because there are some items that I bought. They're actually throw pillows for the seats. I want to see how they look like in the seat. So what I'll be doing basically is I just be cleaning the living room, which is not that dirty, but I just want to organize it a bit before I place the throw pillows. And this week actually I've been so busy that I've not even had the time to go to the salon. Yeah, that's how busy I've been this week. And by the way, guys, I got the throw pillows from Smart Lady Home, and let me tell you guys, I went to their Massabit Plaza branch, and their customer service is top notch. Sincerely, the ladies that I got there really served me well. They were so polite, understanding, and they shared some ideas with me too. And I was just glad. I came out of that shop so glad. And this is actually the second time that I've visited them, and sincerely, I've been so impressed with their customer service. They are so good, and another good thing with them is their quality. Their items are so much of quality, and yeah, I've never been disappointed with Smart Lady Home. So guys, let me share with you the things that I got. They're not many actually. They're just a few things. I got the pillows and also the throw pillows. I've not even unpacked them. This is the pillow. These are 45 by 45 pillow. I got a number of them. Yeah, and for the covers, this is the one that I got. And I wanted a plain cover because our seats are brown. And as you can see, the top here is, I don't know, this is kind of peach and brown. It is kind of flowery. So what I didn't want to get a cover that was that also had flowers. I just wanted something plain that at least would complement with the color of the seats. So yeah, this is what I went for, and I took two colors. I took this one and this one, and I really do hope that they work. And the material is quite cool. It's quite good. Yeah. And another one that I took was this. I only took one of. I kind of just took one of these. Yeah. I hope everything works out. And another thing that I took from them was throw blanket. Sorry, I wanted an off-white throw blanket for the seats. Yeah, I'm kind of trying to blend everything so that at least it doesn't look so odd. You know, our seats are brown and dark, so I'm trying to bring in brightness in the room. Yeah, something of the sort. This is the throw that I got, the throw blanket that I got. It's an off-white kind of. So what I'll be doing is I'll just clean the living room a little bit, then place the covers. So yeah guys, for now, let me get into cleaning. Before I start on organizing the living room, I'll first start on making breakfast. I like pan toasted bread so much, also with sandwich ham in the middle. And the only thing missing is lettuce and cheese, but it's still sweet like this anyway. Now, let me get into this other part of the house. I'm actually thrilled that it's not that disorganized, and with a little organization, it will be alright. By the way, ever since I moved my son's toys to the other room, the living room is normally in a better state as compared to the way it used to look before. Because he never plays here, and he's such a good boy because he has learned to take back his toys to their storage box whenever he brings them here. I'm just wondering why he can't do the same with the potty. Although he knows how to pee in it by himself by now, and whenever he's without a diaper, he'll always pee in the potty. He doesn't pee on the floor, and that's a great milestone. And the one thing remaining is pooing. I'm anxiously waiting for the day he learned that, and I hope it's soon because I really miss installing a carpet in this living room.